Hello guys, this is your spiritual song guitar teacher Lamont. Nice to meet you, and today we're going to learn this beautiful and simple song, Ramadasa, from Snatam Kaur. And I know that originally this song has came from Gurmukhi origin and the language of Sanskrit. So yeah, this song is a Kundalini mantra, and I know that Kundalini practitioners use it, and I myself feel that this song gives me a lot of awakening, the sense of awakening my body, but from a very gentle and soft way. So it's a very opening mantra. As the birds, as the trees are blooming, the flowers are blooming, it is about summer and bright energy. And yeah, let me show you how it sounds like, and let's jump into the lesson. Rama da sa sa se so hum. Rama da sa sa se so hum. So this song is super simple to learn, and for beginners it's an amazing song if you want to start singing as well, because this song is a very syllable song. It's very easy. It's like Ra, Ma, Da, Sa. So it's perfect for you to start singing as well at the same time, or starting to slowly sing at the same time and playing. So yeah. Before that, I would like to invite you to my song community, a community for $5 a month, for you to get the chord sheet and the lyrics, for you to really easily understand where the chord shift's happening with the lyrics, and it's just super comfortable for you to really access this learning in the best way possible. So it's going to be in the description below, and let's continue with the lesson, and now let's learn the chords. So it's the easiest chords ever. It's an C major, right? Then it goes to A minor, right? Just one finger shift. And then G. And then C again. So C, A, and G. And back to C again. So 3 chords, super simple progression. And first, let's learn the finger picking style. So let me show you how it works. So it's gonna vary from 5, right? So if this is a 5, the second string from the top is 5, and the low string is the 1, right? So 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then when it's gonna be a G chord, it's gonna be 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let's play along very gently and slowly. And for you to know, it's gonna be 4 times C major, right? 1 time A minor, 1 time G major, and then coming back to C major again. So let's play along. 4 times C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. fingerpicking pattern. And now let's move into the strumming. So the strumming is the most basic strumming ever as well. It is down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So, if you need to practice this a little bit, I highly recommend for you to close the left hand strings. If it is still hard for you, then it's going to be easier to really nail it down with your right hand, the strumming, right? So practicing a couple of times, getting the rhythm, maybe the melody in the head. Okay, so let's try to play along now. 4 times C, 1 time A, and 1 time G. And coming back to C again. Sitting comfortably, and let's go. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Ra. 4, A minor, A, G, C, C. So 4 times C, 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 A, G, C. So that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to really learn these songs in the most comfortable way in your hands, in your body, and really, if you want a more simplified way of learning guitar that is enjoyable from the first note, so I highly invite you with a deep, deep sense of togetherness, really, to learn these songs and to play guitar together. I offer monthly guitar mentorships if you would like to go deeper with me and to really learn, because I really do care about my students and we really do learn. So yes, have a nice day, and everything is down in the description, and see you in the next video. Da